Hi guys, and again I am back. I will told you in last video that it is the story. In this story we will know about more about than the dinosaurs. And dinosaurs in 1842, the scientist whose name is Richard Owen has given the name like terrific lizards. And this poem has written by Jean Kenward, and I will told you that I will tell you some few facts relating from the dinosaurs. So here we go. Now your first point is dinosaurs walked the earth for over 165 million years. Second point is they lived during a period of time known as Mesozoic era or age of reptiles. Next, third point is many people believed that dinosaurs become extinct because an asteroid hits the earth, changing the climate dramatically. So most of the people, they believed that dinosaurs become extinct, we can't see because from the earth one asteroid is came, and for that the climate has totally changed and the dinosaurs can't adopt that climate. So it is believed that dinosaurs couldn't adapt to those changes, so that's why nowadays we can't see the dinosaurs. Next point is the word dinosaurs means terrifying lizard. This name was invented by Sir Richard Owen in 1842. So in first video I think I told you that this name was invented by Sir Richard Owen in 1842. The oldest dinosaur is Eurypter, a meat eater that lived 220 million years ago. Next point is in eating, like for it depends to the dinosaurs. Eating depends to the dinosaurs. Like some dinosaurs were carnivorous like meat eaters. They can hunt the animals and then they are eating the flesh of other animals. And some were herbivorous, so some are there searching for the plants, herbs, and then they are eating the plants. Some walked on 2 legs while other walked on 4 legs. So some dinosaurs, mostly we are watching on the cartoon characters, the dinosaurs are walking with 2 legs, but in some animals, some dinosaurs, they are walking with the 4 legs. Next, the color of all dinosaur is unknown. We can't imagine the color because sometimes it's green, sometimes it's brown, and we can't see from our eyes also that which color is dinosaur. So it's the color which is unknown because no one was alive at that time in history when dinosaurs alive. So that's why we don't know the color of dinosaurs. Only we are imagining that maybe it's the color of green, brown, and the other color. So it is an unknown color. Next, there are currently over 330 described dinosaurs species, and this number is growing. So when the ancient time, when dinosaurs are there 220 millions ago, the dinosaur cities of different 330 types of dinosaurs, and it is increasing, not its number of it's growing. So nowadays it is not there because we can't adopt the climates on that time, so that's why we can't see the dinosaurs. Now I think you maybe understood lots of things about the dinosaurs, that some dinosaurs are eating carnivorous, some are herbivorous. Some, when we are watching the cartoon, it use the 2 legs to walk, and when we are in reality, some dinosaurs use the 4 legs to walk. So in next video I will told you the poem also, and one poem from my side also, that is like cartoon poems. when it's just imagine, and it is also there. So you guys must watch the next video, because in next video I will tell you, I will explain the poem, short poem, which is in your chapter, reality chapter, dinosaurs. It is only some facts, it is for the knowledge that I am giving in the 2 videos. So you guys must watch the next videos for the chapter. I hope you understood the about the fact of dinosaurs. Thank you.